At Big Lick Moving, we've got 5 core values that we instill in every part of our business. Number 1 is be a godly neighbor. Number 2 is be invested in the community. Number 3 is commit to self-mastery. 4 is always on brand. And number 5 is use words for good. Every single one of the values is a pillar of how we operate, whether it's sales, operations, it does not matter what part of our business. We do not run different cultures in our company. We don't have one culture out in the field with the movers and drivers and a different culture in the sales and admin office. Everything runs on the same operating system. Our team knows what our core values are because we talk about them every day. We talk about them when we first interview people. We talk about them again when we onboard. And then we constantly are recognizing people who honor and are utilizing the core values in their jobs, in their roles, in their lives. And so if you don't operate like that with values, if you don't have a value system, okay, a core value system, you're missing the heartbeat of your company. You're missing the whole heart of your company. And so you're operating everything off of intellect. And when you don't have heart in a business, it's all here. But when you get heart in a business, it drives deeper. Get your people on a core value system. It'll drastically change your business.